Hello everyone. I'm okay on my motorcycle installing running tune signal lights, and because I had to take all the fairing, I got to change the coolant. I made a video on that. I flushed it. I replaced it with new coolant, and then I decided to go ahead and get the air filter and put it on. The motorcycle has a 2013 Kawasaki Concours. It has about over 14,000 miles on it. So I went to Kawasaki and took me air filter. Here's the part number is this one here. I paid I think about 48. It looks like it's easy, straightforward. It's not that difficult from the look of it and from what I saw on another guy did it on YouTube. You take this 10 millimeter and you take this 10 millimeter. There are two of them. Let me see. Here you go. Here's the second one. Again, you need 8 millimeter for each two bolts. There's one here, 8 and 8. Then you need to take off this, I think they're relays. Yeah, they're relays. So you gotta push this out, the cover, and I think they slide out easily. So see, they are sliding. Yeah, as you can see. Here you go. Actually, it come off. Oh, I'm here. Might as well do it now. Here you go. And this way, this wire here won't be in the way. So that's where I am. If I have to disconnect the other one to give it more room, I will. But for now, I think I should be able to do it. All right, we'll see. I took out the 10 millimeters, and this thing started moving good. So I took this two out of the rubber place. Then I ended up taking the other two that they were here too. Now this thing can move freely. I can bring it here. Like so. I'm going to use my 8 millimeter, take those two bolts, and I'll be able to see the filter. Alright, okay, the bolts are off. Now I'm going to take this plate. Okay, and that's the filter. This goes like this, the arrow pointed this way. Set this side. There are two notches in here, well, like a housing. It's supposed to put screwdriver and pull out. See if I can do it with one hand. Can I film it? If not, then I need to stop. Okay? Now we got the idea. I'll get it out and get back. This is how far I pull to get this thing out. So you need to move this. I did not disconnect this. Maybe it'd be a good idea. I said it right there. Maybe it'd be a good idea to disconnect it, move it to the side. But it looks like I'm gonna be able to get it out. Let's see if we can film it as we do it. Like this. Pulling it. There you go. It's out. Okay. I'll make notes of how it was. It goes like on an angle, like this. This is the top. That's the bottom. It's very filthy. Wow. I'm glad I changed it. It's dirty. Okay. Get the new one. Put it back right there. Right. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. You can see. Stuff's all in it. Has to be aligned in the groove. Must be a groove. Fortunately, I have to use both hands. I'll get back. Okay, the filter is in. It does go like when we took it out, took it at an angle, so end up moving this a little bit farther. And I had plenty of room, and I went in an angle like this. The best way to install it, it's kind of like tricky, is to watch for the rails. watch as you go, as you put it in, and you're gonna, once you align this one very good, this side, the other one will connect. You put the plate back, 8mm screws, this will go. Okay, the shield is back on, 10mm are tight, good to go. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put our relays back. These two here first, and the other two are the other side last, like so. All right. If you get confused which one goes where, it's very easy. You make note of them before you start. But again, the shorter wires are the closest. Okay? And when you put this in, you want to make sure that this part here that goes in the piece of metal, it's very difficult to do it with one hand. All right, it's getting in. Here you go. All right, you see how this is cleared now? Now I can go ahead and put it in. I'll do the same thing with the one next to it and finish them all. There are 4 of them. Looks like we're done with this project. As you can see, everything is back. And let us a new air filter now. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please do. Be safe and good luck to you.